Oy'Nissh, millennial Jamaican name, food, and language. Glorynásshr, 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 Glorynásshr. Glorynásshr, 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 Glorynásshr. The Dalkeith Silk Road, the Dalkeith Silk Road, the Dalkeith Silk Road, the Dalkeith Silk Road. Hi everyone. So at this moment I'm in one part of the Dalkeith Country Park, and I take you to this spot because it means a lot to me because of how impressive this Veeliksa is. So obviously I've been going around doing shoots of various Veeliksas, but this is the one with the wow factor. As you know, I go to different places now and check Veeliksa arches, and I try to discover ones that are quite impressive. So I'm in the Dalkeith Country Park and it's very huge. I cannot cover everything because there are Veeliksas everywhere, but this particular stretch of Veeliksa is very special and I'm going to take you to it. This Veeliksa is called the Glorynásshr. Glorynásshr. When translated, it's called the Dalkeith Silk Road. So in essence, it's just one word to compensate for three. So it's the Dalkeith Silk Road. I call it the Dalkeith Silk Road. And in Oy'Nissh it's called Glorynásshr. And I'm going to show you it just now. But as I said, the Dalkeith Silk Road, the Dalkeith Silk Road Veeliksa Arch path is the best I've seen in the Dalkeith Country Park so far. So I'm going to take you up there just now, and it starts here along this journey. So I call it the Dalkeith Silk Road because the first impression I got when I walked along it, it reminds me of historical context of the Silk Road of trade and commerce. This is what I get when I go down, but also when I took a picture of it, I got this impression of, you know, silkworm making silk along the branches and so forth, and it gives this almost white grayish look. So that's why I call it also the Dalkeith Silk Road, but in Oy'Nissh it's called Glorynásshr. So here we go. We are now going up. In essence, sorry, I forgot. I should have shown you the gateway today to the Veeliksa, to the Dalkeith Silk Road. So just bear with me. Oh, let me just go up here. I need to take a picture too, so just give me a second. Everything I have to record these days just to make sure that I've got it all archived. Please note that these places have been walked by many people, so I'm not the I'm probably one of the newest person to come this way, but because of the emergence of what's known as the Veeliksa Arch concept, I'm archiving for historical purposes but also for commerce and so forth. So just give me a second, let me take a quick picture. So let me show you the entrance to the Veeliksa. So this is the entrance to the Veeliksa. So, yep. And it goes all the way around to that. Yep. Entrance to the Veeliksa. Path. Because it's a long stretch. And give me a second, let me take a picture so that I can record as historical archive. As I said, many people have taken picture of this place before, but not under the context of what's known as a Veeliksa arch. And this marks what's known as the Dalkeith Silk Road, or Glorynásshr. Oops, hold a second. I'm trying to balance the I'll definitely give you a picture of this online, so bear with me. So now we're going to head off up the Dalkeith Silk Road, or the Glorynásshr. Yes? Okay, let's go. Absolutely impressive. You just wait. I've never seen so far, in terms of length, in terms of depth, and in terms of just sheer height. And it's beautiful. This is what's known as a complete Veeliksa. This is the ideal. This is the benchmark. When I said benchmark, this is what it is to be the perfect Veeliksa setting. Complete. So let's go. So let's go. See? All as far as I can see is this arch. See the Dalkeith Silk Road, or the Glorynásshr go. It almost looks like a mile. Let me just look at it. Impressive, absolutely impressive. Can you see the end of it? It's as if it's got no end. And the arches, they're just so well defined, so perfect. It's got everything a Veeliksa need to have. So it's got the arches, it's got trees on either side, it's got the length, it's got the tunnel view. See it? The tunnel view. It's as if it's a tunnel going forever. So I call it the Dalkeith Silk Road because it feels like a trade route to me. For like, I think back in the days, maybe because it's the ancient home of Lord Buccleuch. These guys they used to be involved in trade and commerce, and he's a big landowner still. You know, so the idea of commerce and trade and profit making, you know, the Dalkeith Silk Road, or Glorynásshr. Just look on. So this is the best ever so far. I mean, if there's any Veeliksa to top this, I don't know, But so far, out of all the wells and arches that I've done in various areas, this is the most impressive. This is the benchmark for all Velsans, I believe. Just look, oh gosh. Yeah, and more arches that way, and if I continue I just keep going forever, and even that way. So I turn back here and take it this direction so I can get the view going this way. Yes. Oh, just look at that. Oh, sorry. Yes, so so this is what I imagine the perfect country park is, you know. A proper woodland. I mean, I guess for proper woodland it needs the size, it needs to be very, you know, huge. And can you imagine during autumn what it's like with all the leaves, you know, the golden leaves and so forth? It must be awesome. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah. Yes, so this the Dalkeith Silk Road. Oh gosh, don't know, I just give it peculiar name so I can identify unique Velsanites in various areas, because every time you go somewhere else, you might go to a park, there are many various regions within a park. Like this one is the largest I've been so far. It's a very large area, so the best thing I can do is identify specific regions that have the wow factor, and this is it, the Dalkeith Silk Road. And it's good for walking dogs. It's just this long stretch. I think it goes forever. Yeah. So the sun is setting at the moment. It's well, almost from this side, that is. Soon it will be dark. So wow, let's look again. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, the trade route is busy. Oh, it's very busy today. Yeah. Almost at the starting point. Yeah. I guess this is a place that people come to de-stress after a long day's work, you know, or if there are issues at home. People just want to think things through, you know, walk it off before any big decisions are made. This is crucial, a crucial place, I guess, for people to de-stress, exercise, you know, contemplate key decisions, because it's just so tranquil, so natural. Oh, the highway is just across there, but even so, there we go. So we're back where we started. Yeah, so just so amazing, I'm telling you. Oh. So that was a good wee walk, and we're back where we started. Yeah, so the Dalkeith Silk Road, can you imagine? Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next vlog.